The 2024 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, where Eneos, Japan's largest oil company, is showcasing a stunning 1972 Toyota Celica. This classic sports car, beloved by enthusiasts worldwide, has been meticulously restored and upgraded, blending vintage charm with modern performance enhancements. Join us as we dive into the features, history, and innovations behind this remarkable vehicle. The 1972 Celica had been sitting for more than 20 years before Steph discovered it and began his off-season passion project to keep himself busy in between Formula Drift competition. The restoration included a bare metal bodywork overhaul, while the rare 18RG 4-cylinder, 8-valve, twin-cam engine was fully rebuilt and bored to 2.2 liters. Lubricated by Eneos motor oil, it was converted to dual 44 Mikuni PHH side draft carburetors and runs a Link ECU thanks to a full motorsport spec wiring harness to enhance reliability. The engine produced 170 HP, close to its 8,000 RPM maximum, necessitating 4-piston Wilwood big brakes front and rear. Steph significantly upgraded the suspension using JRZ dampers, Techno toy tuning front spindles and tension control rods, annex suspension caster and camber plates, 4-link rear suspension and panhard bar. Wheels, tires, rear custom 3-piece wheels with titanium hardware, 205/50R15 front, 225/50R15 rear Yokohama Advan A052 Extreme Performance tires. Transmission Toyota W55 speed, driveshaft shop carbon fiber driveshaft, X clutch with lightweight flywheel. Steph was able to increase wheel and tire widths, TRD-style fender flares, which were produced by Toy Garage, along with a lip spoiler and rear wing to enhance the Celica's road presence. The new fenders accommodate custom 15-inch 3-piece wheels inspired by Tom's heritage design.